Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix EPS light Hyundai Elantra, only way. Begin by parking safely, engaging the brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for 1 minute to reset power. Keep gloves and eye protection on, and avoid turning the wheel while the system is powered down. This resets some faults and prepares the car for safe diagnostics and sensor checks inside the steering column and under the dash. Next, focus on diagnosing the root cause of the EPS light by checking power and communication. Measure battery voltage and alternator output while the car idles and under load to spot drops. Use an OBD2 scanner that reads EPS or steering assist codes and note any stored faults. Follow wiring from the steering column to the rack, looking for loose connectors, corrosion, or damaged insulation that can interrupt sensor signals. For repairs, start with the simplest fixes like cleaning and tightening connectors and grounds, then retest the system. If codes point to the torque sensor or steering angle sensor, replace only the failed part and recalibrate the sensor per manufacturer steps. When the EPS control module fails, use a matching replacement and perform any required programming or firmware updates. After repairs, reconnect the battery and perform a full system test and road check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.